Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm very excited to show you new plants that I bought. And by the way, how your plants doing? Well, it is about a bay tree which I bought and a olive tree. For the first time I have in my collection already olive tree, and I'm excited to show you how it's looking. It's pretty good, and the bay tree as well. And I had in the past bay tree, but I lost it, and I decided to buy it again. I found a website in my city, and they delivered to me at home these plants, and yeah, well, let's see how these plants are doing, and I hope they will grow for me very beautiful. Well, this is my olive tree, and it's looking so beautiful, and the leaves are just a lot of leaves, as you can see here. They're healthy, and I noticed new leaves are here, as you can see. But I think it should start growing in springtime, and I will keep it in a cold room in my house. Then this olive tree will go to dormancy. But not sure how cold there will be in that room, because we can turn off a heating system anyway. And so beautiful. I enjoyed so much because I bought it, and it costs about I will write the price in the video. And really like the stem as well. As you can see, it's really thick. And how it was grow in this small pot, I'm not sure, but they have their technology. And that's it. Really enjoyed that bought new plant, and it is beautiful, and maybe in the future I will have olive tree fruits, and then I will have some my own olive tree, like I have now my coffee beans behind me, and that is beautiful to grow by my own. Now let's see the bay tree which I bought as well. And here we go, this is beautiful too, as you can see. A lot of healthy leaves, as you can see, nice. And for this I pay, the price you will see in the video. It's not so expensive like olive tree, but it's expensive anyway. And look on this stem, as you can see, very thick. And they cut, as you can see here. And maybe I will see how I will take care of it. Maybe I will cut too, but I will see in the future. So all the leaves are just brilliant. And if I smell, yes, they smell a little bit of bay tree. And I had in the past one of these trees, but I lost. But this looking amazing. Also we can see around it kind of mulch, and inside should be, the soil should be moist, not very wet or stuff like that, but yeah. And I will see when I will be watering it. And look at the stem, is quite thick too, as you can see. Awesome. Well, I have to keep this under 10-15 degrees, and we'll see. And it should grow in springtime like olive tree. That's it. So happy that I bought these two plants. Well, now let's see them close up. I put these plants here next to the banana pseudostem, and the banana plant is inside too. Look at this bay tree. It's very beautiful, as you can see, but not all the time will be here. I will move it back in the cold room because it needs cold in winter time. And the next is olive tree here, as you can see, so beautiful too. Together they both are beautiful, and look. Here I noticed new grow, new leaves, and we'll see how much they did grow. Also on another branch I noticed here. Very beautiful. And here are the old leaves. Well, we'll see actually how it will grow. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And for sure I will make some update videos on these plants which I bought, and that's it. And I will catch you next time. See you in another video, and if you want, can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. And yeah, I'll catch you next time.